Well, tell me. Let me guess. I made a disgusting spectacle of myself, right?
Right.
And everything this man just said is true. Is that what they're going to say?
Apparently, I don't have to. You're saying it for me.
But you're wrong.
Why am I wrong?
Because the man is insane. He's fucking insane. Do you know what the definition of insanity is?
What is it, Frank?
The inability to relate to another human being. The inability to love.
The inability to love? Frank, you really are a wonderful talker. If black could be made into white by talking, you'd be the man for the job. So now I'm crazy because I don't love you, right? Is that the point?
Wrong. You're not crazy and you do love me. That's the point.
But I don't. In fact, I loathe this side of you. You're just a boy who made me laugh at a party once. And if you come any closer, if you touch me or anything, I think I scream.
Baby, listen. Fuck you, April!
What are you going to do now? Are you going to hit me? To show how much you love me?
No, don't worry. I can't be bothered. You're not worth the trouble it takes to hit you. You're not worth the powder it takes to blow you up. You're just an empty, hollow fucking shell of a woman. What are you living in my house for if you hate me so much, huh? Will you answer me that? Why the hell do you fuck me? What the hell are you carrying my child for? Why didn't you just get rid of it when I get a chance? Because listen, I got news for you. I wish to God you had.